Alright guys, today we're going to make a large leaf drawing. We're going to be drawing it on this yellow piece of paper, and you're going to have a black oil pastel to create your leaf drawing. The first thing I want you to do, to make sure we do it nice and large, we're going to put a dot down over here on your paper. See how it's just a little bit away from the corner? And then up here on the other side, I'm going to put another dot. What you're going to do is you're going to draw a line from this dot to that dot with your oil pastel down. Now you can hold on to your paper with your other hand, and you just want to try to go all the way across. It's okay if there's a little curve in it. It doesn't have to be too straight. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up from this dot just a little bit, about right here, and we're going to make a dot right there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create my leaf shape, and I'm going to be connecting these dots. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out a little bit and then come back up here. Okay? So I'm going to go right here and go out. You might want to practice this line before you do it. Okay? So I'm going to go out, wide, and then I'm going to come back into that dot. On the other side, I'm going to go the same thing. I'm going to practice. I'm going to come up and back down. It's almost like a rainbow, but it kind of flattens out up towards the top. Out and back in. Okay. And I kind of like how that turned out. The next thing I'm going to do is put in some diagonal lines. Okay, so I'm going to put, let's put some more dots in here. Let's spread them out. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, so on that middle line, and then from there we're going to come out with some diagonals. So I'm going to go this way, starting at the dots, and I'm working my way out. And then I'm going to come back to the dots, and I'm going to go over this way. Now that's a nice separated leaf, and it's leaving us some area where we can do some of those line patterns and line designs. This is the part now where we could take color pastels and we can add in some of those patterns into it. Some might be small, some big. Get one that works for you, and you get to come up with your own patterns of line designs. So I'm going to start down here. Maybe for this first one I'll just start off by doing straight lines. Make sure you press really hard when you do this part. You want to press it in, and you want that color to be nice and strong, because when we paint on it in a little bit, it'll kind of push away the paints. Okay? You could go back this way, you could do different things, you could try different colors, you could do spirals, are really fun. Okay? Fill it up with a bunch of spirals. Alright, can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and make sure you fill in all the areas with different line pattern designs. Here's an example of one that I was working on earlier. Alright guys, good luck with your designs today.